Join us while we make scrambled cookie dough on the Blackstone.
And what are you drinking?
I know what that means.
This is brandy slush, and this is actually the right way to have it. Where you mix it with some soda. Apparently, the last time we had it, we just had it straight up.
Which was delicious.
Which we didn't see any problem with that. So, I don't know. It's good this way, too, though. It's very good. Thank you very much, Annette.
Thank you, Annette.
Oh. All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Coupe De Grill. We're doing dessert tonight. We're out at the lake. So, I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but we've got some homemade ice cream going in the ice cream cooker right now. And you know what's going to go really good with that homemade ice cream? Cookies. But we're not doing the homemade cookies. We're doing Toll House cookies, and we're doing these things on the Blackstone. And we're doing scrambled cookies because this is going to be friggin' awesome, you guys. Check it out. And we're just going to cut this open. Look at that. It's already spilling out. And you can cut it into cookies if you want to. We're not going to do that. We're just going to do one of these deals here. Oh, boy. Get some of that on there. You can throw some butter on. I just got some of our avocado oil.
Because we're healthy here.
Yeah. And I think that's probably about enough for the 6 of us. So we're going to do one of those numbers right there. Squeeze it out.
Remember, measure this with your heart.
Yeah.
It's just like cheese.
Look at that. You see that? It's already melting. That is one giant cookie. That's not the end of it. We do have to say thank you to Hunter, who is going to be our first taste tester with this as well, because this is all his idea. We're just going to chop these up. Man, you can smell these already. This smells. Can you smell that over there? Oh, my gosh.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, right?
It does smell like cookies.
Well, that's because it's cookies.
But it smells like you're in an oven. Maybe that's the wrong way to describe that.
We want these kind of small pieces, and we're just going to do one of these numbers here. You don't want to let them get too dark.
Wow, that's crazy.
We're not going to keep stirring this up because it's just going to make a chocolatey gooey mess, which is delicious. But we're just going to kind of separate these up so they actually cook in the middle. So I do have this on about a medium heat. It's about where I cook everything. And you can see these are fluffing up really very nice. We're going to flip them. Ooh, they're starting to darken.
Oh boy.
Burnt chocolate. That's not great.
Is it, or is it just dark chocolate?
No. That's some of that is darkened there. That's blackened.
Oh, it's Cajun.
Cajun chocolate cookies is not what we're going for.
Oh.
All right, you can see this is starting to get where it's not quite so gooey. These are done. This is going to be perfect. We're going to put that cold ice cream over top of these hot cookies. This is going to be freaking awesome. We got a special taste tester with us. Hunter, this was his idea. We're going to let him try the first cookie. What do you think there, buddy?
Very good.
Very good. It's going to be even better with ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Are they better than cookies in the oven? I'd say that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're gooey, right? But they're crispier.
All right.
This is going to be awesome with the ice cream melted over top of it. All right. Well, we're going to go have this for dessert. Thank you guys for coming along, cooking cookies on the Blackstone. If you don't have a Blackstone, you can do it on the stovetop and frying pan. Be just as good, I'm sure. Anyways, we're going to have this while it's hot and cold. Do not forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Helps grow our channel.
Are you going to say anything to the lunatic in the chair?
To this one over here that stole my spot? Are you kidding me? And she says, I'm just keeping it warm. Yeah, I know. That's good. Full moon over the lake tonight. Our first taste tester with this as well.
Here, wait.
Because this is all his idea.
You are noisy today.
I'm always noisy. Just don't always catch it on film.
Huh.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Hang on a second. Told you he's ready. You had to hurry up.